You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Let me stay with you, even asking you just one night. I don't know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment, I think of you every moment. I can't say looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's no